Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Jaguar XF. So from any screen, if we click menu, that takes you back to the home screen with your setup, audio settings and phone. You'll see there at the top, audio, video, Bluetooth, please connect device. So nothing connected there. Phone, click on phone, and you'll see my phone's come up there. Because there's nothing connected to it at the moment, it'll give you the opportunity to delete it, which delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, yes, that's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Jaguar XF. So from any screen, first of all, we're making sure that Bluetooth's on. It is. We watch out at the bottom, and again you've got audio, video, Bluetooth there, please connect device, or you've got phone. So we'll click on phone, click search new, vehicle to device, I've just disconnected this phone from this system, so sometimes it takes a little longer when you do that. It's probably thinking you were connected, why do all this? So there you go, it brings up my phone. To pair and connect phone, enter 4989. 4989, pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, connecting to Barry's iPhone, and then if we go further up, there's Jaguar connected. That's it. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to play music from your phone through the Bluetooth system in this Jaguar XF 2012. So first of all, if we go to music here, you'll see there, if I click on that, the three silver circles and the silver triangle, you'll see there, iPhone, Jaguar XF. If there's no tick next to Jaguar XF, just tick it like so. Over to the system. Now, if you're on menu, this is where it gets tricky sometimes. So we'll go to menu. You've got there, that's what's playing at the moment. However, if I click on that, see my music there, there's a plus next to there. If you don't see your, just turn that down a second. If you don't see the track playing when you go back, I'll just go back again. We'll go to menu. It's showing auxiliary. We need to get to Bluetooth. This is how you do it, and it's not immediately obvious at first. So onto audio video. My music, there's a plus next to my music. We'll click on there. It then brings up a separate menu, and you've got auxiliary, USB stored, CDs. I'll do it again because of time now. Stored CDs, DVD, CD, iPod, and Barry's iPhone. Click on there. That's it. Now then, if I turn this up, oops, let's just knock that back. I don't want to get a copyright strike. So pause that. I'll turn this up, and then click play. Dire Straits. The sound system in this car is awesome. It really is. Baron Wilkins speakers, fantastic. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2012 Jaguar XF. So from any screen, you can get to it from the menu just by clicking nav there, or if you're on another screen, you can just click nav there. It's probably easier just to fill three along and click nav. And then you've got destination entry there. Postcode's easiest. Postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, and it's PR. It's defaulted to numbers, which is really good. 5, 4. Now with this system, you don't have to put a space in it either. Some systems, unless you've got 3 numbers in the centre of the postcode, you have to put a space in, but you don't with this. So PR5, 4, E, A. Click OK. Click destination. Destination's been set at PR5, and now we click go. So
Please follow the highlighted route.
you've got like 2 safety catches on there, just so as you don't set it to go to the postcode that you've already just spent 5 minutes putting in. So that's it anyway. Also, the other good thing with this, there's loads of cars when you set your sat nav, you're nearly home, or you get on the M6 and you know your way from there, and you think, right, I don't want it keep telling me, because it always speaks when you're just listening to something, and you want to knock it off. And some cars are so difficult to knock the voice instructions off. It's unbelievable. Jaguar Land Rover product. So you click menu, and then just there in the nav, cancel guidance. That's it, done. It's so easy. Great car. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.